Hi everyone! For today's video, we will talk about the percentage, rate, and base. We will be using P for percentage, R for rate, and B for base. For us to easily understand and remember the formula, we will be using this triangle. If we are looking for P, so let's cover first letter P. The remaining letters would tell us the formula. So we have P is equal to R times B, or the rate times the base. Now, if we are looking for the rate, the remaining letters are P and B. As you notice, P is on top of B. So therefore, we will be using the division symbol. Lastly, if we are computing for the base, the remaining letters are P and R. Again, P is on top of R, so we will be dividing P by R, or the percentage divided by the rate. Now, I have your sentence. The 25% of 400 is 100. Let us identify here which is the percentage, the rate, and the base. The number with the percent symbol signifies the rate. So this is your rate. Next, if you see the word of, the number after this word signifies your base. Okay? And then you see the word is. It can be before the word is or after the word is. That is your percentage. Again, for the rate, there should be a percent symbol. And then for the base, it comes after the word of. And then for the percentage, it comes before or after the word is. Take note also that the word of signifies multiplication and the word is signifies equal sign. So let's give examples for this. What is 20% of 150? Identify first the P, R, and B. 20% is R. The of word signifies your base. So for number 1, the missing term is the percentage. Now let's write the formula. So we have P and then R times B. Substitute the values of R, 20%, and B, 150. Now, 20%, convert it into decimal. So we have here 20 and then the decimal point is here. Move it 2 units to the left. 1, 2. Here you go. So your value for 20% is 0.20 and then times 150 and that is 30. For number 1, the answer is 30. Let's go for number 2. What is 30% of 1,230? So 30% is your rate. The of word signifies your base. So again, for number 2, the missing term is percentage. Let's use the formula. P is equal to R times the base. So substitute the value of R, 30%, times the base, 1,230. Convert your 30% into decimal. So that is 30. And then 2 units to the left, 1, 2. So therefore, 0.30 times 1,230 is equal to, okay, that's 369. So that is your percentage. Let's have some more exercises. Number 3. What percent of 45 is 23? So here, The word of signifies your base. The word is signifies your percentage. So for number 3, we are looking for the rate. Okay? So the formula for the rate is P divided by B. So let us put P, 23, divided by B is 45. And since we are computing for the rate, we need to multiply the answer here by 100. So we have here 23 divided by 45, and that is 0.51111 times 100, and that is 51.11. Okay, let's now go for number 4. 40% of 38 is what? So let's identify 40%. That is your R. The of word signifies your B. In here, the missing term is percentage. So for the formula of percentage, R times B. So let's substitute the values. 40% times the base is 38. 40% convert to decimal. So 40, move 2 units to the left, 1, 2. Then add 0. So the answer here is 0.40 times 38, and 0.40 times 38 is equal to 15.2. This is now your final answer. Another example. 4 is what percent of 35? So identify 4. Beside is your P. What percent? You're looking for percent. This is your R. The of word signifies your B. So therefore, in this question, the missing term is R. For the formula, you have R is equal to P divided by the base. So we have P, which is 4, divided by the base, which is 35. And then, what is 4 divided by 35? Okay, very good. That is 0.1143. Then multiply it to 100 because we are looking for the rate or the percent. Now, when we are moving for decimals, so we will be moving to the right 2 units. So let's use another color. So this is 1, 2. Move your decimal here. So that is 11.43%. That is your rate. Now, you may try this one. Comment down your answer for 5% of 56 is what? Thank you for watching.